What excites me about stem cell and gene therapies is the massive potential that it has and the curative aspect of it. So when you look at traditional ways of treating things, you were treating symptoms, whereas now you're looking at this exciting new field that can basically cure you of your disease and then you move on with a normal life. And it just has so many options out there to help so many people.
The Masters in the Manufacture and Commercialization of Stem Cell and Gene Therapies is a new one-year program established at UCL in the Department of Biochemical Engineering, which focuses on developing the next generation of engineers, scientists and business professionals to develop, manufacture and commercialize advanced therapies, particularly stem cell and gene therapies.
We have a steering committee of industrial expertise that are going to commit time to teach on this program and give us their experiences in the industry and how they actually carry out their roles and what's required of them. So that's going to be invaluable for any student that's looking to get into the industry. And that for me, I've been teaching for 10 years plus in higher education. I've never had that experience. It's a fantastic opportunity for students because we can put in the information that the experts in the industry are wanting to impart themselves.
This is a unique program which gives students the opportunity to learn about science, engineering, manufacturing and the business side of delivering products to patients.
The steering committee is really important because it's comprised both of the academic leaders and also industry experts like myself. And together what we're going to do is to craft this course to make sure it's really relevant, the most contemporary knowledge is available to the students.
I've been fortunate enough to be in the cell and gene therapy space for quite a long time, starting out as a clinician and then working to develop therapies for patients. And through that time, I've noticed how amazing it is to be able to really make a very big difference in patients' lives. And I'd really like to share that with new people that are coming on to lead the therapies of the future. But more importantly, I want to learn from them because it's only with their ideas that we'll really move this area forward.
This is a great opportunity for the UK as a country, but the sector as a whole globally, and it has a specific need for skill right across the skill set for what is required in the industry.
The good thing about this program is that we're not making the students ready for one kind of a job. On the contrary, we'll make the students be aware that they have different opportunities because not only, for example, we're gonna teach them research in the lab, they're gonna be doing cost analysis, commercialization. So when they will finish, they can go to a company and then within the company they can work in different sectors like legislation, bioprocessing, analytics, preclinical, and even commercialization. And not only that, we're gonna make them explore more research. So if they wanna go and do a PhD in collaboration with a company, they can do an NHD too.
There's a massive impact of industry into this degree. So there's a massive connection, which as a master's student, so anyone in academy, that's what you want to have. You want to know where you're going to be working in the future. You want to see what they want, what they need, what their challenges are, and how you can learn about how to solve them.
This program allows us to understand and appreciate all factors which go into manufacturing and developing these advanced therapies. So that includes ethics, regulations, and the initial manufacturing and commercialization. Essentially optimizing the manufacturing process, keeping in mind all of these factors in order to create an advanced therapy for the patient at an affordable price for the healthcare system and for society as a whole.
We're looking for students who are proactive and want to make a change. Students that realize we're currently at a tipping point in the global healthcare industry, where we need new therapeutic modalities to address the chronic age-related conditions we're now facing. We want to empower, enhance, and enable two types of future complementary leaders: scientific and manufacturing leaders and business and technology leaders who can propel this industry moving forward and address some of the key challenges we face in getting these therapies to patients that need them.